With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins. After improving visibilities this afternoon, fall gets thicker this evening through tonight and decreases the visibilities to a mile or less. Chances also increasing for rain and freezing rain tonight through tomorrow across the central and east, with a disturbance lifting to the northeast. That best chance for slick conditions from freezing rain is from midnight to noon tomorrow. Precipitation transitions back over to rain for tomorrow afternoon, with rain possible into tomorrow evening. Tomorrow is a little warmer with seasonal highs in the mid to upper 30s. High pressure builds in, and Thursday through the weekend is drier. Sunshine warms highs to the 40s in western and some central areas on Thursday through Saturday, while clouds keep the highs in the 30s the farther east you go. 40s to the mid-50s with sunshine everywhere, taking hold for Sunday and for Monday. In the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are likely to continue Sunday through the first 5 days of next month in Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S. Below normal precipitation is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas the early half of next week, before above normal precipitation late next week through February 5th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include milder temperatures returning to much of the U.S. with consistent chances for rain, leading to wet conditions for the south central and southeastern U.S., and drier weather across far southern Brazil and Argentina into this weekend. Mild weather continues to replace lingering cool conditions, with much of the U.S. expected to experience near or above normal temperatures the rest of the week. The warmer weather is accompanied by heavy precipitation, especially across the south. 5-day rainfall could total 2 to 8 inches or more from eastern Texas to the central and southern Appalachians, extending as far north as the Ohio Valley. Flash flooding may even occur in heavier downpours, while river flooding may develop in the western Gulf Coast. The southern range should result in decreasing drought coverage and intensity, especially in the Mississippi Delta and Tennessee Valley. Mild and dry weather prevails the next 5 days across the northern plains and far upper Midwest. Periods of rain and snow, heaviest in the Pacific Northwest, spread inland from the west coast to the Rockies. In central Brazil, rain this week has the potential to improve conditions for soybeans that are still maturing, but with harvest already underway. For early planted beans, that rainfall could be a setback to harvest. More consistent rain also benefits central Brazil soil moisture for second crop corn planting. Southern Brazil is drier the rest of this week, if not longer, a concern for some areas that have missed out on the recent beneficial rain. Argentina conditions started to trend drier last week, and that trend continues this week. Any notable precipitation stays off to the west and south of the main Argentina growing areas, leading to corn and soybean conditions declining as soil moisture levels decrease. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.